Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set up Samsung Blockchain Keystore and create a new wallet on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then after that, swipe down at the top to open up the quick settings panel. Then tap on the settings icon. In here, go down and tap on biometrics and security. Then you want to go down and tap on Samsung Blockchain Keystore, and then tap on continued, then tap on next. Now in this video, instead of linking to an existing wallet, we're going to tap on the create button to create a new wallet. Now we'll ask you to put in a PIN to protect your virtual asset. So I'm going to create a new PIN, A2828282. Oops, I go too much, so I go back, A2, 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 so it is a 6-digit PIN. So try to remember that PIN, don't forget it, because if you forget it, you will have a lot of issues getting access to your wallet later on. Now say verify your fingerprints, so you have another way to access your virtual asset. So I'm going to verify my thumb, so it doesn't work on my right thumbs. So it didn't work. Maybe I can do it later on. So say backup recovery phase. So you can do this later, or you can choose the next button and then tap on next. It is ideal that you create a recovery phase. Now tap on OK. It says protect your recovery phase. When you view your recovery phase, make sure to use your hands to block other people or cameras from seeing it. So I might as well just block from the camera from seeing it, and then tap on OK. And then in here you should be able to see the recovery phase, and then the first one, second, and the third one. So you tap on the back and forth buttons, and then in here you'll be able to see your recovery phase. And then you can choose I wrote it down safely, and then tap on next. And then say enter word 12. So that double check your phrase. So you need to actually write down. You have to actually confirm it. So you need to write down and then reconfirm the phrase. Okay, now ask me to write down word number 7, which is tornado. And then press on the enter key and then enter word 1. So I'm going to look for my word number 1, which is famous. And then enter, and then word number 6. Word number 6 is, let me just double check. So isolate, and then enter. All right. So after we have confirmed the pin or the phrase, we can now complete the setup. Let's say your virtual asset wallet is ready to use. It's secure with your pin. Tap on done. Now you can also download the Samsung Blockchain wallet. So ways to use your virtual assets: we can download the Samsung wallet. We can tap on the link, and this will allow us to download the wallet, and then tap on installed. It is 35.88 megabytes. All right, so we're going to go ahead and set up the blockchain wallet. Tap on agreed, and then we're going to start. Use to confirm unique identification for your phone. So we're going to tap on start and then tap on allow. And now say verifying Samsung account. So say you're already using Samsung Blockchain Wallet with this account on another device. If you start using Blockchain Wallet on this phone, you will no longer be able to use it on another device. I'm going to tap on OK. Alright, next is a link wallet, and then tap on link. And after that, we can tap the done button. Now it says Samsung Blockchain Wallet and Samsung Blockchain Keystore are linked. You can now check your virtual asset accounts, view your transaction history, send, receive virtual asset using the apps. And then tap on done. And that's it. So in here we can check on the price of the account. We can check on the Ethereum's account. And yeah, so this is wallet. And if you tap on that, we can send and receive. So if you tap on the receive button, this is the address for you to send me your Bitcoin, and you can also use this QR code. And in here you can say if you want to send me 1 Bitcoin, you can tap on 1 BTC and then tap on done, and all you have to do is just scan this code and you can go ahead and send me your BTC, and that's it. So that you can add in more stuff, more coins by tapping on the add button. You can see in here there are quite a number of tokens or coins that you can add to the list. Not that many though, only some. I guess you can tap on the custom button right there to add in a custom coin that hasn't been listed in here. Alright, so in here I can add hardware wallet. I can go into settings and change the settings in here as well. Alright, so that's it. That's how you can set up and get it running. If you tap on the apps in here, you can view and download other apps or decentralized apps. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.